Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy, your homie, your friend, Huey, and you already know we're back with another video. And today I wanted to share with you a fantastic strategy that I recently tested and I found the results very good, and we're gonna test it today again. But before that, I just wanted to remind you to join the NEOS free signals. As you can see, there's a giveaway going on right now. You can easily win $100. 3 people gonna win $100 each, so that's 300, which gonna help you kick off your trading path. And I think it's an absolutely wonderful giveaway and you should definitely hop on it. Also, this free signals group is gonna have free signals happening every time that there's a trading session going on in the private trading group, which by the way you can also join by just sending NEOS a message. But make sure to remember that the spots in that group are limited. As you can see, there are plenty of people in it already, but just try it, send a message to NEOS. And of course, the fantastic robot, the killer, the slayer of binary options. Make sure to cop it if you want to make some money. But now let's get back into the strategy, and we're gonna use only 2 indicators here. It's gonna be stochastic and it's gonna be RSI. But before we do that, go ahead and set the intervals to 30 seconds right here, and then enable timer, because you want to see the timer right there next to the candle, so you know when you have to enter. But now let's get back into indicators, and as I said, it's only going to be 2 indicators. The strategy revolves around them and they are very easy to use. So let's add RSI, and then we're going to add stochastic escalator right after that. Let's go, and here it is. We click that, we go to edit RSI right here, we leave the period at 14, then we'll go to style, we disable the level 50 and leave the 70 and 30 only, and change the thickness to 2 pixels on both of them so they're more visible for us, because it's very crucial. And then we go to edit the stochastic oscillator. We leave everything in the inputs as it is, and just change the thickness so it's better visible for us, the same as with RSI. And there it is, we're ready. So how to make use of this strategy? And really guys, it's very easy. Both of these indicators show whether the asset is overbought or oversold, and we're gonna place our trades based on if the asset is oversold or overbought. And here we can see that the asset is oversold because both of the lines are touching the bottom area of the indicators. Both RSI is touching the 30 line and the stochastic oscillator is also below the 30 line, and the lines are crossing there. What this means that in this case we're going to take a long position on the trade when this candle closes. You can see that it still has 3 seconds left, so let's go ahead and enter this trade, resume the video, let's go. As soon as the candle closes here, we take a long position for 1 minute, just like that. Now let's skip ahead and see if we got the dub. As you can see, it's getting really tense in here, so just in case I'm going to increase my trading amount for 2,000 just to make sure that if I lose I enter another trade immediately. And unfortunately you can see that the price goes down, so as soon as we reach here 1 minute, we're still gonna go in long position, because you can see the lines are still touching the bottom lines. So that means we take a long position, and immediately we take a $2,000 1 minute long position. Let's skip ahead and see what we got. Let's go. And it's very close, but as you can see, we do secure a win here. We get $3,800 back, and as you can see, we also get all the money we lost off the previous option back, and we actually make $900 on top of that, so it is definitely a win. Now let's continue scouting the market for more entry points. Let's go. And here we have another good entry point. As you can see, this trading asset is being overbought, so we're taking a short position here when the lines are almost touching the upper lines, and the stochastic oscillator has crossed the upper line. So this is a very easy indicator for us to go in. Just in case, we're gonna set the price to $2,000 just to be prepared. But let's skip ahead and see if we got the double. Let's go. And here we have it, guys, another $900 secured, but we're not stopping. We're gonna continue looking for more market setups. We're gonna try to make at least 5,000 to 6,000 today, because I want it to be a profitable day. I want to showcase this strategy so you can try it yourself and see how it goes for you and share it with us. But now let's go and look for more market setups. Here we have it. Now let's go over this strategy once again. You are going to take a short position whenever the asset is overbought, which means that RSI green line should be touching the 70 border line. As you can see here, it's almost reaching that position. And the stochastic oscillator should be over the 80 line, and the lines of the stochastic oscillator should be crossing each other. Whenever the asset is overbought or oversold, the price is most likely going to retract and move in the opposite direction, and that's exactly what we're using with this strategy. So you have to remember that. Make sure that both of these indicators are meeting the requirements for you to enter the trade. Do not be impatient. This strategy is all about the patience. Sometimes you can get away with RSI being just a little bit under the 70 line there, but ideally you would want to wait for the RSI indicator be over or touching the line completely. And that is the main thing that you have to pay attention to, and that's where the timer comes in. As soon as the candle closes and you can see that both of these indicators are either touching or above the 80 and 70 lines respectively, like in this situation here, you immediately take the short position. And let's go ahead and do exactly that. As you can see, the timer is approaching 4 seconds, and we're gonna take a short position here. The line is very close. Now let's skip ahead and see if we got a dub. Let's go. As you can see, guys, my previous entry wasn't good because the RSI line wasn't touching the 70 line exactly. So we raised our trading amount to 2,000 in case this doesn't go through. It is very close, but I feel like we're gonna take a loss here. But if you look at RSI line currently, it is just approached the 70 line, and the stochastic oscillator is above. So we go in 2,000, 1 minute, just like that. We're not afraid to lose. We're not afraid to take a gamble sometimes. As you can see, there it is. The price is going down fast. Now let's skip to the end of this option and see if we secure our money. Let's go. And just like that, a very confident finish, and we secure $3.8 thousand, and we get all the money back that we lost in the previous option. Let's continue looking for more setups. And here we got it, boys. Both of the lines are crossing the bottom line. As you can see, both indicators are indicating that this asset is being oversold. So we are taking a long position here for 1 minute immediately. Let's skip ahead and see if we secure this one. Let's go. Very easy, guys. $860 secured, and we are reckoning $4,000 already this session. It is a very impressive result. Even with the losses that we took, we still managed to bounce back and get our money back. So this strategy proves to be working. However, guys, always keep in mind that none of the strategies give 100% guarantee. You have to utilize your knowledge, but this strategy with the correct usage can yield you 80-85% success rate, which is a very good percentage. But let's not stop here and continue looking for more market setups. Let's go. And here we have a very good situation. As you can see, I already raised my trading amount to 2,000. Look at that price going up, and we can not only use the two indicators that clearly show that this asset is being overbought, we can also utilize our knowledge and remember that when you can see that the market is bullish, like you can see the market move aggressively in one of the directions, it is most likely to be as an aggressive turn backwards. So we are not afraid. We're going in $2,000 on the line. Let's go, guys. Let's skip ahead and see if we got the dub. We have 3 seconds left here, and look at that, guys. Look at that. I was ready to lose those money, but we did come through. You see the market just rush down, push down the price, and we secure a fat $1.8 thousand dollars right there. It is a great strategy, guys. It's gonna take some time for you to practice and see the entry points, but I believe that you can do it on demo account and see if it works for you. As you can see, guys, it is working, and I would love to remind you that there is a robot. If you think the strategy are too hard for you, you can always use the robot. You can see there's a lot of wins on the robot as well, and it's absolutely astonishing how great it is. Make sure to join the free Neo Signals. You make sure to join the private trading group. You can find all the links in the description below, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.